Yo, this is how I made 114% swing trading Etsy calls. I'm gonna talk about how and why I got into them. I gave you guys my exact playbook right before it actually happened. Right, it's on my YouTube. It's called Capitalizing on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which I totally did. So basically, the reason I got into this trade was because I did my research. I read on the headlines that it was going to be the biggest Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales in history. So I was like, because it goes up 5% every single year. And I was like, okay, there's opportunity here. How can I capitalize? Then I looked up online retailers and just regular retailers. So Nike, Best Buy, and Etsy, and a whole bunch of other ones. On the video, I went and back tested 5 years back, so 2019, and then I said, okay, on November 20th, from here until the week of Cyber Monday, how does the stock react? Okay, well, I saw that if you hold 5 days after Black Friday, which is the week after, then that's where you see the most gains. So what I did this year was I got in on Black Friday, and then I sold the contract on Wednesday. I held for 4 days, and I made 115% return based on history. That's all it was. It was not guessing. It was not none of that. I just said, let me see if history repeats itself, and it did. That's why I got this amazing return, and I'm going to show you guys on the charts how I did this. I told you guys to get in the exact same play as me. I told you to get in the exact same play as me. I said Etsy, at this expiration date, it has a 0.65 delta, bro, 100% return, 115% return. Telling me, who's doing that? It's not regular. I'm not saying I do it every week. I do it every day. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying history repeats itself. The day I entered, this is the chart portion of the video. This is Etsy. As you can see, we had Thanksgiving on Thursday, the 28th. Black Friday is obviously after Thanksgiving. So I entered on Friday. My entry was a little bad. I don't know why my entry was bad. It was just pretty bad. I got filled at the top, but you know what? We still made profit, so I'm not complaining. And then my stop loss was at this gap. And my take profit, I saw this liquidity point, and I was like, yeah, that's basic liquidity. And then I saw this high right here, which is another form of liquidity. So I went into the 1 hour chart and basically said, okay, why would this be a good liquidity point? Let me go to 15 minutes. As you can see, there's a gap in between this point right here. So I was like, oh yeah, that's perfect. That's where a lot of liquidity is. And I looked on the order book, Etsy, at the day I was going to sell, and it said at this level they have 30,000 orders. So I'm like, yeah, that's definitely going to be filled. What does it do? It hits my exact point, goes down, retraces down a little bit, right? Goes back up and hits my second point right here. So we call that accurately. That's how I accurately got out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I got in Friday, and then I got out Wednesday. And I'm gonna show you why I came to the conclusion to get out when I did. So let me go back. This is November 2023. This is the Friday after Thanksgiving. As you can see, if you got in Thanksgiving and then you rode up to this liquidity point here or even here, you got filled. There you go. You know what I'm saying? How long did this take? How long did this move take? Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You know what I'm saying? Just If you wait a whole week, you get astronomical returns. Right here, November 2022. Remember, Friday after Thanksgiving, you get in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Hits all your take profits in one go. And then this is all-time highs. As you saw in the video, I said we are not doing that. This one is a little weird, but it's all good. Friday after Thanksgiving, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Took 2 weeks for it to do that move, but why? It's at all-time highs. So what I noticed during these plays, or if it's at all-time highs, look for another play. That's why I didn't choose Nike, Amazon, or Apple, any of those. You know what I'm saying? I just stuck to this because I was like, it's not at all-time highs. It's at a good level where it can bounce. And yeah. So what did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got out here directly right there. I pinpointed my exit. Yes, I know. But that's how I did it on the chart. Subscribe if y'all new. I can give you more opportunities like this. I can't guarantee any returns. I'm not guaranteeing that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just how I made 115%. And in the future, there's more trades like this to come. Like Christmas is coming. I know you guys heard of the Christmas rally. So I'm going to try to figure out some stocks that usually do well during Christmas. Subscribe if you've just been watching the channel. If you get in this early with me, right at the beginning, and you say, I made this much, it's just like, let's go. You know what I'm saying? But y'all have a good one. I'm out.